Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about thoughts and me and the manifestation of the thoughts, the law of attraction and how we create our destiny. So very beautiful topics. So we have always heard that thoughts manifest. Have you ever give it a thought that how do thoughts manifest? Let's see how. Every thought we take creates a feeling within us. Yes? Perfect. When the feelings put together, it creates an attitude. The attitudes we develop within ourselves develop as an habit within us. A habit, when put into action on a regular basis, becomes my personality, and my personality defines me, and when put into action creates my destiny. Make sense? So this is how thoughts manifest. This is what law of attraction says. You think and things happen. So this is the gap between the thoughts and the law of attraction, that what you think shall happen. You can do it again. We can just do it with a practice, with a practical tool. Think of an issue that is disturbing you or might be looking forward to, or something like that. Put it into a scale of 1 to 10. Let's examine it as that issue as at a 0.5 right now. Perfect. Now, think about that issue like, oh my God, this is just killing me. It is killing like anything. This issue is just, I just don't want it to in my life. Why is it just happening with me? It's just me who has been left out with such kind of issues. I'm so unlucky. I'm so fed up. What do you think is happening to the issue? Is the issue still at the scale of 5? Or is it increased to around 6 or maybe 5.5 or 7? Now, if we have the power to take that issue from 5 to 6, we also have the power to bring that scale of 5 to 4 of 4.5 or 3.5 or 3 by looking at the reality the way we want it to see. If we start saying to the issue, okay fine, this is the issue in my life, and okay fine, I am ready, I am accepted and I can face it easily, and these are the things that actually came into my life in a very regular manner and I handled them very easily and I can do it, and God is there with me, the energies work, I have my instincts, I will follow my instincts and things work for me. Where do you think that issue will stand now in your life? Has the problem changed? Has the issue changed? Nothing has changed. But your perspective, your view, the thought that you have created for that particular issue has changed, and now that is going to affect your feelings, your actions, your personality, your destiny. So your thoughts are creating your destiny. Your thoughts are manifesting. That is law of attraction. So attract what you want. Get what you want. You are not allowed to take even a single thought that is not in favor of you. Keep a check. That's a beautiful one. Say that I am tired and see you will feel tired. Say that I am energetic, I am fresh, I am vibrant, and see the difference. Just smile at any situation. Try to look up at the sky and smile. Just practice this once, and I would love to get the feedbacks. Love you all. That was very beautiful topic for the day. I hope you really liked it. Still having some doubts? Difficulty in practicing it? Please get back to me or just comment back. I would definitely love to get back to you. These are the situations we are following them in Sunshine Freedom. So, love you. God bless you. Sunshine Freedom, Alka Gurdatta.